Those in Wales, Cymru will be well aware of the political party Plaid Cymru. It's a very toxic, extreme far-left political party run by a former BBC television presenter called Rhyn Op Ewrop. Now, I used to be a member of Plaid Cymru many years ago, and basically the mantra was, if you can't convince people to vote for Plaid Cymru, convince them to vote Labour. Plaid Cymru indoctrinates people to vote for them. If you're a Welsh speaker, it's automatically presumed that you're going to be a supporter of Plaid Cymru, which is completely not true. People in Cymru Wales who think that the only alternative to Labour in Cymru Wales, thinking it's going to be Plaid Cymru, are unbelievably wrong. What happened in Caerphilly recently was that people, instead of voting Reform or any other political party, they decided to vote Plaid Cymru as a protest vote to stop Reform. The point is that when you get Plaid Cymru, you get Labour. Because Plaid Cymru have worked in the Assembly with Labour and voted every single bill that Labour have ever wanted. So Plaid Cymru have been a lapdog dogs for Labour. So when you vote Plaid Cymru, you get Labour. And that's basically it. This is what we're told in Caerphilly. People just transferred their Labour vote to Plaid Cymru, knowing that they're going to get the same thing anyway. So those people who don't want to be indoctrinated to vote Plaid Cymru, there is an alternative. There are at least two political parties with councillors in Cymru Wales who want the nationalist vote. Political parties that actually want an independent Cymru. Plaid Cymru do not want an independent Cymru. That comes from their own leader, Rhyn Op Ewrop. Plaid Cymru was originally established to found an independent Cymru, but that's not happened. Plaid Cymru have turned away from the idea of independence. So those parties that you should be looking towards are either Gwlad, which has councillors, or another political party led by the very amazing councillor in Cardiff City councillor called Propel. The political party that runs is called Propel. So Propel basically moving Wales forward. The guy is actually called Neil McAvoy. Now, Neil McAvoy is extremely dedicated to making a difference. And with Neil McAvoy and propelling Wales forward, what you get with Neil McAvoy and his party, or Gwlad, you don't get Labour. If you vote Plaid, you get Labour. That's it. So if you want an actual party that wants to campaign for independence, it's either Propel or Gwlad. And they will not be supporting Labour in any way, shape or form. I can't stand socialism at its best form. And I had to leave Plaid Cymru years ago because that's all it was, socialism, but on a more extreme vein. Whether you like what I'm saying or not, I don't care. This is a democratic country, and don't feel that you have to vote Plaid if you want an independent Cymru, because you won't get an independent Cymru if you vote Plaid, definitely not. So hopefully you've learned something today. Thank you very much. And by the way, those that are watching this, no, I'm not going to be standing as a political candidate or for any of this stuff, right? Because I don't do that. I just want to give an opinion, and that's what I'm doing. Diolch yn fawr i chi, gwelwch chi eto. And keep supporting my channel or TikTok. Or you put some terrible comments on there, but I don't care. Diolch yn fawr i chi.